second recipient today of the Legacy Award is Dr. Paul Manning. Paul works in plant, food, and environmental sciences in the Faculty of Agriculture, my own home department as an academic. He is receiving the Sessional and Part-Time Instructor Award for Excellence in Teaching. He has been an active instructor since September 2016 and demonstrates a student-centered, evidence-based approach to teaching. The emphasis that Paul puts on embedding equity, diversity, and inclusion in his curriculum is inspiring. He continuously explores new and better ways to engage students through technology and technique. Outside his work and at Dalhousie University, Paul is an active volunteer with several local organizations. Congratulations, Paul. Would you like to say a few words?
Thank you. Thanks so much, Dr. Saini. It's a real honor to be recognized. There's so many people doing fantastic work as teachers, as part-time academics across the university, and it's a real honor to be selected for this award. I love to teach, and the students make it so much fun every single day, and I'm always inspired by the creativity and the knowledge and the during this difficult time, the real strength of students in keeping things going and continuing to do excellent work despite all the challenging circumstances. So yeah, it's been a real pleasure to serve as an instructor across the university, and I'm really thankful for this award. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Paul. And it reminds me of the words of Lee Iacocca, the former chairman of Chrysler Corporation, who said, and I paraphrase, that in a completely rational world, the best of us would be teachers, and the rest of us would have to settle for something lesser. And you embody that spirit. Thank you very much.